Welcome back. Today we'll talk about Faculty of Engineering Workshop Service Standard Operating Procedure for Common Tool and Machine Equipment. The information in the booklet is provided as a guide for minimum safety trainings that shall be provided personal prior to being authorized use of any following machining tool of places equipment: mill, lathe, plane, driller, press, pedestal, grinder, and bandsaw. General safety tips: safety glasses with side shields must be worn at all time. Do not wear loose clothing, loose neckwear, or exposed jewelry while operating machinery. Do not work alone in the machine shop. Long sleeves on shirts should be rolled up above the elbow. Pull back the secure long hair. Do not wear thin fabric shoes, sandal, open-toed shoes, and high-heeled shoes. Always keep hand and other body parts safe distance away from moving machine parts, places, and cutters. Use hand tools for their design purpose only. Report defective machinery equipment or hand tool to the technician. MC Gill, Faculty of Engineering, Machine Shop Safety. Workshop machines, lathe. All stock must be properly secured in the lathe, chuck, or mounted prior to the machining process taking place. Use the correct size clamp or vise for the stock being machined. Binding or danger of the work striking and any part of the lathe. Check to ensure the cutting tool will not run into the chuck or lathe dog. If possible, feet away from the chuck or dog before starting the lathe. Ensure the spindle work as the cup center embedded. Tail, stock, and tool rest are securely clamped, and there is a proper clearance for the rotating stock. Prior to starting the lathe, ensure that small diameter stock does not project tool far from the chuck. Without support from the tail stock center. When using wood, do not mount a split workpiece or one containing rods. When roughing stocks, do not force the tool into the workpiece or take too big a cut. Feed prior to engineering the automatic feed. Never leave the key in the chuck. Do not let go of the key until it is free of chuck and secured in its proper holding place. Select turning speed carefully. Large diameter stock must be turned at a very low speed. The correct speed of the feed for the specific material and cutting tool must be used. Stop the machine before making adjustments or measurements. Do not remove metal or wood chips from the table or stock by hand. Use a brush or other tool to properly remove chip or shaving from the table or stock. Never attempt to run the chuck on or off the spindle head of engaging the power. Do not stop the rotation of the chuck by reversing the power of the lathe unless tapping holes. Do not leave tools, bits, or excess piece of stock on the lathe bed. All belts and pulleys must be guarded. If thread, belt, or pulley are observed, the lathe must be taken out the service and belt or pulley replaced. Stop the machining immediately if odd noise or excessive vibration occur. Only properly sharp drill bit and cutting tools in condition should be used. Dull drill and chipped or broken cutting tools from the removed from service. Disconnect the lathe from the power secure. Lock down. Tag out if making repairs or servicing. Thank you very much.